A small world, big brains. Introducing nanotechnology and AI. Nanotechnology is the science of the very small. Imagine working with materials at the atomic level, building things atom by atom. That's nanotechnology. It's like having tiny, invisible robots that can manipulate matter in ways we never thought possible. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is all about making machines smart. We're talking about computers that can learn, solve problems, and make decisions like humans do. AI is already changing our lives in countless ways, from self-driving cars to personalized medicine. Now imagine combining the power of these two incredible technologies. That's right, we're talking about AI-powered nanotechnology. This powerful combination has the potential to revolutionize nearly every aspect of our lives. The power of small. How nanotech and AI work together. AI and nanotechnology are like two peas in a pod, complementing each other perfectly. AI needs data to learn and make decisions. Nanotechnology provides a way to gather vast amounts of data at the nanoscale. This data can then be used to train AI algorithms to perform incredibly precise tasks. Imagine tiny nanobots programmed with AI algorithms. These nanobots could be injected into the bloodstream to target and destroy cancer cells with pinpoint accuracy. Or they could be used to repair damaged tissue at the cellular level, accelerating healing and regeneration. The possibilities are truly endless when we combine the power of AI with the precision of nanotechnology. The future is now. AI-powered nanotechnology is already being used in a variety of fields, from medicine to manufacturing. In medicine, researchers are developing nanoscale sensors that can detect diseases like cancer in their earliest stages. These sensors can be implanted in the body to provide continuous monitoring and early detection. In the environmental sector, AI-powered nanobots are being used to clean up pollutants and toxins from water and soil. These tiny robots can target and remove harmful substances with incredible efficiency. In electronics, the development of new materials and manufacturing techniques is leading to faster, more efficient, and more powerful devices. The two sides of tomorrow. Benefits and risks of nano AI. Like any powerful technology, AI-powered nanotechnology comes with both incredible benefits and potential risks. On the one hand, it has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from curing diseases to cleaning up the environment. However, there are also concerns about the potential misuse of this technology. For example, some experts worry that AI-powered nanobots could be used for malicious purposes, such as creating autonomous weapons or invading people's privacy. It is crucial that we proceed with caution and develop ethical guidelines for the development and use of AI-powered nanotechnology. The future is in our hands, and we must ensure that this powerful technology is used for good.